Andrew Wilson.
Go, Kuya.
Wait. I have interview. What's your name? Andrew Wilson. How old are you?
14.
Ito pa, isang 14 years old. Who's your father?
Mario.
Mario Wilson. Anak ni Kuya Mario. Tignan niyo, baka dagdagan niyo yung score. Ayaw na rin, dagdagan niyo lang yung score. Ayan na po, champion yan. Baka hindi nyo nalalaman. Champion yan sa 3 points. Yes! Relax na relax. Money ball! Yes! 4! Ako po. Nakangiti na yung tatay. Sabi, easy. Sabi ng tatay, panis! Ayan na.
Huwag kang ganyan.
Oh my God! This guy is shooting all this left corner! Oh my God! Ayan na, 8. He got lots of time. He got 3 blocks more. 9. This guy will kill you all. Yung tatay niya may gout, kaya hindi siya nakasali sa 3-point shootout. Masakit ang siko. Money ball! 11!
7.
OMG! Oh! Another corner! Oh my God! This kid will kill you all! 13! 15! Wow! 18 seconds!
6.
Nakangiti na po ang tatay niya! Lahat ng corner! Yes!
18.
Bam!
18.
18 points! How about for Mr. Andrew Wilson? 18 points! Oh my goodness! Hindi ba dinagdagan niya yung score? Tingnan niyo. Wala. Alright. Next! Ito. Malupit to. Usapin natin. Carl Sandoval, gusto mo bang naka-hoodie? Gusto mo naka-hoodie? Hoodie? Naka-hoodie, okay lang? Okay. Carl Sandoval, Maroon Team. Hintayin mo yung whistle. Top 4 po tayo sa round 2. Carl Ochovillo, namali ako doon. Pareho kasing Carl to. Sorry, Carl Sandoval. Ayan na. Ito yata ang kalaban ni Andrew. Short. Bukhang hindi po ito. Last week po ito eh. Salamat Roy Conobida, Noel Sembrano, Bong Paras, Arvin Certeza, and Coach Andy for helping. Moneyball, yes!
Bisa mo konti, tingabot sa dulo.
What do you think? Do you think Carl will break the 18 points? Let's do it. Wow, he's on fire! Almost, oh my gosh. 8 points. Remember, top 4 po tayo for the second round. 3 corners. Here's another shot. And the money ball. Short. 9 points. Meron pa siya isang corner. 18 seconds. 10. Short. 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 10 points for Carl Ochovillo. Destiny. Ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Ito na ang pinaka-aabangan ng lahat. Ang Mr. Friendship ng CCS Blizzard. Bagong sapatos, bagong gupit, bagong laba, bagong lahat. Coach Olan, maraming salamat sa spaghetti at fried chicken.
Hey, you are welcome. Congratulations sa Green Team.
Salamat po. May kainan po tayo lahat. Kamaya. Coach Olan Reyes. Yes! Moneyball, no! Relax na relax po. Iba talaga pag veteran mo. Come on, coach. You got lots of time, coach. Money ball, in and out. Third right. Dalawang bola na po ang nasa taas. Coach, almost in. Yes! Nakuha niya na yung range na. And last round for Coach Olan. Mr. Friendship ng Blizzard. Yes! Yes! And almost in. Tatlong bola na bola sa taas. 4 points for Coach Olan. Sandali po, sinusungkit po ang bola. Mahirap pong sungkitin niya, sabi ni Coach Andy. Ano naman po masasabi mo sa mga kalaban? Akala ko eh. Sorry. Next! Last shooter! Our last shooter, we would like to tell everybody that we are going to pick the top 4 shooter. Tapos po, we got 3 ranks only on the second round. And then after that, top 2 for the championship. Balik po sa 5 ranks. Alright? Mark Pacha, Black Team. Yes! Money ball! Yes! 3 points. Napakadami pong nanonood dito. Magpalakpakan naman kayo pag na-shoot. Kung gusto nyo maraming palakpak, pag di na-shoot, yun ang palakpakan nyo. Ayan na, gumagana na pulso dito. 5 points. You got lots of time. Mr. Mark Pacha. 6. 7. Oh my God, mukhang nasa race na siya. 8.
Sabi sa mo.
Wow. 8 points. He got lots of time. 9. Short. 10. Money ball. Almost. 11. Money ball. 11. And we are done, and we're going to call the top 4. Okay, tatlong rock lang tayo. Okay, sasabihin po ni Kuya Herbert ang ating top 5 daw kasi mayroong nag-tie ng ulit.
Marvin, red, alternate green. Andrew, si Carl, si Mark Pacha.
So, ang score po nila, Marvin, 8 points. Alner, 8 points. Andrew, 18. Carl, and Mark. And Mark Pacha, 5 po. Narinig niyo yung pangalan niyo? Dito po kayo, pwesto. Sino una natin? Marvin, first shooter. 1 minute, 3 rounds. You got lots of time. Top 2 po ito. After ito is championship. Back to 5 rounds. Back to 5 rounds. After ng 3 rounds. Yeah, press. 1 minute, 3 corners. Bali top 5 po, meron po nagkabla ng score ng 8. Wait! Sayang yung money ball. Kumawag-kawag. You got lots of time. Remember, you got lots of time. Second round po tayo mga kaibigan. Salamat Wesky TV for this video. Hey boys, last wrap. 20 seconds. We would like to thank Alex Kumang Remax First, our major sponsor for today, Mr. Charles. Salamat po Kuya Charles for coming. Charles Sakrani, ating major sponsor.
Sa red table. Red.
5 points! Next shooter. Alnef. 1 minute, sandali. Sineset pa yung time. Eduardo Aberion. Seryoso. Yun! And the money ball. Takbong subdivision. Takbong lang siya, malipit. Huwag niyong istorbo eh. Nawawala ang pulso. Yes!
You lost it. You lost
Money
it.
ball! Oh my
Lost the
goodness.
race.
Naka 8 points po siya kanina. Nahanap niya naman ng bola. 14 seconds.
Okay. Good.
Good job.
Yes!
Good luck na.
Yes! 6 points.
6 points.
Carl Sandoval. Carl Tabilio.
Yung ba yung nasa table nyo? Yung ba yun?
Hindi ko alam sila, ano yun, sila,
Hindi nila sinaset ko
itong mga to.
Hindi ko lang Carl.
Okay, hindi sa akin yun.
Oo, pero doon sa bukod mo sa isang table. Pero for sure, join tayo doon mamaya.
Ready! Airball. Yes! Palakpak naman kayo pag nag-shoot. Kung gusto nyo maraming palakpak, pag di na-shoot, palakpakan nyo rin. Oh, tik na. Yes! Marvin 5 points, Almer 6 points. Mabubura kaya ni Carl ang 5 points. Ayan na. Six. Money ball. 6 points. Oh my goodness, the shooter. Ito na inaabangan na lahat. Nakangiti na naman po yung nagpa-timer. Ay, sorry, Harvey. I mean, Andrew. Mark Pacha first because you got the most points on the first round. 11 points kanina si Mark. This is the very important round, mga kaibigan. Money ball. Remember, we're choosing the top 2 para sa championship. Hello, last round. chance for Mark. Almost. 5 points. Last shooter.
Last shooter, si Kuya Andrew.
Let's go. Andrew, last shooter. Ayan po, tignan nyo yung score ha. Nakangiti na naman.
Shout out kay Coach Andy who trained Andrew for the 3 points.
Everybody is watching this kid on the triple shootout. 14 years old, mga kaibigan. 14 years old. This guy will kill you all. Yes. Oh my God, may shoulder pick pa. Oh my goodness. Hey! 9 na lang, 9 na. Kita nyo, binigyan pa kayo ng plasto na listo.
Nice side.
10 points. And we are on the championship round. Balik tayo sa tabla. Biruin nyo, Representative Almer Aberion, Carl Ochabilio, and Andrew Wilson, top 3. Let's cheer! Pag nanalo ba, mag-champion ba si Andrew? Saan ba tayo mamaya?
Sa red table!
Bye!
Sa red table!
Game.
Ma'am, saan po tayo pag nag-champion ang Andrew Wilson?
Sa red table!
Red table, okay! Back to 5 rounds! Destiny! Let's go!
Daddy time.
Time. 2.
Come on, no?
Ano po nangyari? Inulit po. Destiny 7! Eight. Bigas na sa time. 9. 10. 12. Last one. 18 seconds. Oh my gosh. Championship round. 30. In out. 15 points!
Beat that, okay?
To break by Carl. Adler, Aberion, you're next.
Ay,
Andrew, you're last. Adler. Aberion. Yes! Yes! Papangiti siya, 3 points na. Umiinit na to, umiinit na. Naku, sumigaw, sayang. And the winner and the champion will receive a medal, a plaque, and $100. Wow! What a game! Team Moneyball, 8 points. Wow! Kaya pang habulin. Oh! Masinta. Tinignan niya, hamburger! Yes! Meron pa siya isa na! 17 seconds! Oh my goodness! 11! 7 seconds! 3 seconds! Oh!
Sayang, 11.
Sayang, wala siya na-shoot.
Okay, bit. More than that, okay? 50? More than.
And of course, the last shooter.
Okay, go Kuya Andrew.
Okay, before we start, who's your coach on shooting in Blizzard?
Coach Andy.
Coach RJ, Coach RJ. Ang daming coach sa shooting. Andiyan po si Coach Andy, nakapiti. Wala yun, hindi po coach. Alright, last shooter! 12 points, 15 points to break. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness! 4 points. We got lots of time. 5. Oh my God, 5 points.
Go Kuya. 6.
6.
Take your time.
7. In and out. Moneyball, you got the chance.
8.
9. 10. 11. 13.
Go Kuya.
14. 19 seconds.
Oh, go Kuya.
For the win. For the win. 16 points. What a 3-point contest. LA Hooper Basketball Season 1. Winner, Andrew Wilson. Oh my God.
Good job,
What
Andrew.
a game, what a championship. It's the Moneyball who took this guy. What can you say about the 3-point shootout? The last shot, how do you think about the last shot?
Just gotta go in.
Do you know you are going to be the 15 points?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Who's your father?
Mario Wilson.
Yes, clap your hands to the father! And of course, Sister Juby to do the awarding.
Alright, congratulations guys, and thank you so much for all the participants for our 3-point shooter. And now first we're going to award our 3-point champion, Mr. Andrew Wilson, to be given, the award will be given by Charles Santran in behalf of our major sponsor, Mr. Alex Duma. Alright, so everyone, wala ba kayong mga kamay? Please, a round of applause to Mr. Andrew Wilson, our 3-point champion.
Calling Coach Paul and Coach Andy picture.
Congratulations, Andrew.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Coach Andy.
Oh, Coach Andy.
May we call on Mr. Coach? Coach Andy. Kinabahan eh. morning.